Hey, I'm Miss Myers, and I will be your personal health, or as I like to call it, personal wellness instructor. So I hope you're excited about this semester and all the cool and interesting things that we're going to learn. Some of it you might already know, a lot of it you'll know a little bit about, but we'll dive into a little bit more detail than you've done in the past. When I was in college, my major was kinesiology. When I went to grad school, it was still in kinesiology, but with an emphasis in exercise physiology. If you're not really sure what your major is yet, that's okay. This is typically a class that you take towards the beginning of college, so maybe you're still trying to figure out, and that is totally fine. I wasn't positive what I wanted to do when I started school either, so don't stress about it. If I could teleport anywhere in the world, I would want to teleport to the Maldives. And the reason I'd want to go there is because of the bioluminescent plankton that is there. I've always wanted to go check it out. It is on my bucket list of things to do in my life. Somebody told me that you can see bioluminescent plankton here in Saipan. I have looked and looked, but have never been that lucky. If I was going to go sailing around the world, I would name my boat Living the Dream because I feel like I have been blessed beyond belief for all the beautiful places that I've gotten to see, the wonderful people I've got to meet in my life, and I just feel like I am living the absolute dream. We live here in paradise. A recommendation for a book or a movie or a show that I've seen lately was My Octopus Teacher. I don't know if you've seen it yet. It's not super recent, but it was a really good movie that I saw on Netflix about a man who becomes friends with an octopus, and I just didn't realize how amazing and intelligent octopuses were until I saw this movie. So I think it's a great one that everyone could see. I'm looking forward to hear about you guys and learning more about you.